Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Washburn acoustic guitar coming in to replace his tuners and his strings. Apparently, the tuners he wanted to clean up a bit of the rust, but the rust is actually quite bad. So I suggested changing the tuners as well. So yeah, that's what he did. Enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Washburn. This is model number WD10CE. So WD10CE coming in to change the strings and change the tuners as well. These are locking. So lock the string and tune as per normal. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna quickly just tune up. Okay, all is good. I clean up a bit and pretty much that's it. Alright, good. I see you when I see you. Bye. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to contact me for any of the guitar or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 841-89951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.